The Ross 2-in-1 ridge vent is a unique product in that it comes standard as a 12-inch wide ridge vent. However, we have a patented system that allows for you to take that 12-inch and convert it to a 9-inch for your high definition hip and ridge. What you do is you turn the vent over. There's a groove on the underside. You need to deeply score this groove. Once you've scored the groove, simply pop the external baffle. The external baffle easily removes. And you align your 12-inch nail holes into the 9-inch nail hole receiving point. Once you've done both sides, you then have your 9-inch ridge vent. The male-female in connector pieces are also converted into the 9-inch. As with the 12-inch ridge vent, we recommend you put the female end out towards the ridge, the end of your ridge. The other special thing you need to do with the 9-inch ridge vent is that you install one side completely before you fold the other side over and install that side also. Once you've installed one side, you just need to fold the other side over and install the opposite side. Now that you've installed your 9-inch ridge vent, go ahead and install your high definition 9-inch ridge cap or shake. The Ross 2-in-1 ridge vent also comes with a molded in shingle nail line that makes for easier installation. Just align your high definition hip and ridge, nail through the hip and ridge through the nail line, you're good to go. And here you have the completed 9-inch ridge cap with the Ross 2-in-1 9-inch ridge vent.